Have you ever wondered how to use the gift card function in our ERP system, Engonus? Think of it as a money voucher, assignable to customers for future purchases, all conveniently located in the sales section. Now that you know what a gift card is, let's dive into how to create one in Engonus. Creating a new gift card is a simple process. First, head to the sales section and select the gift card function. This will open a form where you can begin making your gift card. Generate a code, either manually or automatically. You'll then assign an amount to the card and choose whether it's for a specific client or a list of clients. Finally, set an expiration date for the gift card amount. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, you're ready to issue your gift card. Managing your gift cards in Engonus is straightforward and efficient. To edit, delete, or recharge a gift card, simply expand the right side menu in the gift card section. Here, you have the freedom to make any necessary changes or even delete the gift card entirely. Perhaps the most useful feature is the ability to recharge a gift card. Just detail the amount you want to add and voila! No need to create a new gift card each time. With these steps, managing your gift cards becomes a breeze. Engonus makes it easy to utilize the gift card function within your ERP system. Today, we've explored creating and managing gift cards and how they can enhance customer relations. Now you're ready to start using the gift card function in Engonus to enhance your customers' purchasing experience.